Alright, so welcome back, crew. Hey guys, so hey, it's the next day, and as you guys see, we're getting a lot of stuff done to this 55 first series cab. I pretty much got a lot. I think I got probably 100% of the rust out of the cab. But hey, we're just beginning on this baby, guys. So I showed you guys how I basically smoothed out that firewall. I just showed you guys a few pics of the fiberglass, the green fiberglass putty that I always put on after my welds and everything. And we're about to get right into doing the cab supports and everything. But I just want to show you some of the footage that I finished up with the little, I think it was like the little hose down in the brake booster. Okay, I got lost there for a moment. So basically the port where they have the brake booster at, normally I actually covered that up. I made a plate for it. And I'll show you guys, I finished it up. The only thing that's left is I need to put some green fiberglass over that as well. And I already drilled my hole for my cab support like I showed you guys. And so what we're going to be doing today, as you guys saw me go ahead and pre-drill all of my holes where we need to weld underneath the cab. So what I'm going to try to do is, I'm going to show you a little trick. I actually ordered these cab mount bolts and stuff. Let me show you guys this here. And so what I'm going to try to do is try to bolt it up and try to get it as snug as I can. Because, you know, everything has to be pretty tight. And this is the, if you guys want to order from Truck Shop. And this, let me see if you can get a good picture of that there. It's a counterpart part there. They got a part number. And it is actually, they're pretty good with the counterpart. Is a good product whenever you're working with these old trucks. And I took one of these out, and it's basically the cab bolt and stuff. So I'll put that in the cab in the bracket here before I go ahead and start welding it up. And I will put it in from the top like that. I'm sorry. I'll put it in from the top, and I'll get that good and snug, and I'll tighten it up. And then that way I can weld underneath there. And I may have to use some clamps and everything. Excuse me. I may have to use some clamps and everything. So that's what we're going to try to finish up this little project today, guys. And like I said, we're going to do a little bit of, you know, every day. Like I said, every day I try to test the truck and try to do a little bit every day. And that way, it won't, you know, it just won't be so overwhelming. And I just try to make it fun. I mean, that's the big thing about it is, you know, we want to have fun when we're building these trucks and stuff, guys. But hey, like I always tell you guys, if you got any kind of comments of how you should, you know, how I should do it, or any comments as far as maybe next time if I do it, you know, but I'm doing one side first. So if you guys leave a comment down, and then I can go ahead and do the other side like that, you know. But any good comments, whatever, how you guys done it before in the past, or how I should be doing it, let me know. I'm no expert, you know. So this is just a DIY, and we're doing it out of the house. And I know if I can do it, you guys can do it too. And don't forget, guys, to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and put that notification bell on, guys, so you get all my videos and updates and stuff. Because you guys know I'm putting the videos out, man. And you know, make sure you hit that like and share button as well, guys. So, hey, we're going to go ahead and get right back into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I kind of figured you would. I come by the other day, and the light was on, but the door was shut, so I didn't know.
I don't know if I was in or not.
Yeah, you was doing something. You had the door part of the way up.
Oh, I probably was doing some type of ventilation stuff whenever I do that.
Yeah.
Trying to mark this off to come back and make sure it's in the right spot. Then so we got everything grounded off. We get this back mounted, then we can go ahead and try to weld it in place. good so far. All right, guys, so we got this thing up here in place. And now, this is the hardest part for me, is welding upside down. So hopefully we can get it on the first try here. I know it's gonna be a little challenging for me. But hey, practice make perfect, right? So let's see what we can do up in here. That turned out really good, man. Really good. I'm really happy with that. All right, so we are finished pretty much for the day. I actually got that driver's side brace welded up in there. As you guys can see there, I did a good job with it. I'm not really happy with the welds and everything, of course. I could have actually probably tilted this cab. I probably could have tilted the cab either on its front or either I could have did it on the back side. If that was one of the first things I probably would have, did, I probably would have said on the side, but I just didn't want to take any chances on, smashing it. Or it's pretty sturdy, but like I said, I am a one-man operation, so I just didn't want to take no chances on messing something up. But I don't think I just have to. The welds, of course, they're just ugly welds. When you weld them upside down, gravity just takes effect of it and it does its own thing. So I will grind those welds down, and heck, you never be able to tell. You never be able to see it and stuff. But it's like, how it is. At least I would know that it's like that. But anyway, once I grind the welds down and everything, it's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be fine. So I will actually do that to the other side as well, and it's the same thing, crew. So I won't show you guys that. I'll just get that done tomorrow. But we actually got a lot of stuff done today. I'm happy. It took us half the time to do it and stuff. I actually did a little bit more grinding on the inside. I still gotta put some of that green fiberglass mud down on the inside for my welds to just make sure there's no pinholes and everything. But while I got you guys here, I'm gonna show you a little thing that I actually made here for my little tools. Like I said, I hate to have a junky garage, so I actually cleaned up my workbenches over here. Clean those up good, got everything off of it. I need to go ahead and put my fan away for the winter time here pretty soon. But anyway, I made this little tool here, which I think is pretty neat. I seen it advertising on Eastwood. I was like, man, I could make me one of those things there. So whenever I get through with my little tools, I just put them on there like that and stuff, and they hang up there. Basically slide it, and it got a little shelf up here And I got my little clamps, my welding clamps up here for right now, but you can put your bottles or something up there. As you guys see here, you can put your bottles or something up there. And I actually angled it. You know, I put on a brake and angled it. That way all my grinders and stuff, it goes right up in there. You got a little notch, that little notch right there. Just put that on there like that. And they all sit up there like that. So I thought that was pretty, just something new that I made for a little shop here. So anyway, guys, hey, thanks for hanging out with me for another episode and actually getting something else done to the cab. We're, you know, doing little by little, and we're getting a lot of stuff accomplished. So we got a lot of stuff done today, guys. I'm not really sure what we'll try to attack next, but like I said, tomorrow I'll probably go ahead and do the passenger side of the cab support. And actually, as soon as I finish that, what I need to do next is I need to go inside, because since I'm putting a different type of motor and a different training in here, I'm gonna have to get my steering column up in here, and I need to go from the inside first. I know that this hole is gonna have to be relocated. I think it's gonna be somewhere like right up in here, and then we'll fabricate a piece, we'll close that back up, and then I'll cut a hole for my new steering column. So that's my game plan for the next thing, because I don't want to go ahead and mud this and get this all slick and smooth and then come back and I got to cut a hole and mess everything up. So after I do that, then I can put my brake booster up here where it's supposed to go, and then I take everything back off, and then I'll go ahead and slick this and smooth this down. So I'm pretty sure that's going to be the next thing that we attack here, guys, on the channel. So hey, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is gonna be it for this video, but like I tell everybody, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share it, and like, guys. So, you know, make sure you share this content with other people, man. That way we can keep growing our channels and stuff. And I can't grow without you guys. So thanks for the support. Thanks for watching my channel, guys. Hey, and like I tell everybody, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.